Okay, so we want to look at two opposing words in this video, belum and sudah. So these two words are antonyms. Belum describes something that is incomplete or incomplete actions, while sudah describes completed actions. So in essence, belum describes something that has not yet happened, and sudah describes something that has already happened or is already complete or has already been done. So we look at examples. So these two examples, dah siap or dah makan. So dah siap, siap in Malay means something that is completed or something that is ready. So if you say something is dah siap, you say something is ready or something is done. And dah makan, you'll hear this a lot. If someone asks you dah makan, they are asking you whether you have eaten or not. So the answer would be either dah or belum. And the word dah obviously comes from the word sudah. So by answering dah, you are mentioning that you already have completed something. If you have dah makan, means that you already have eaten. If you answer belum, means that you have not eaten yet. And a lot of times you'll hear belum being paired with lagi. So belum lagi is simply not yet. You'll hear this a lot. If the answer is no, they have not done something or if you're not completed something. So if you ask someone he hasn't arrived yet, the answer would typically be either yes, he has arrived or no, he hasn't arrived. So similarly in Malay, that would be translated into dia belum sampai lagi, dia belum sampai lagi. So you would expect either the answer would be dah sampai or belum sampai, dah or belum. Another example would be if you want to say, I have gone to the clinic this morning. So in Malay, that is, saya dah pergi klinik pagi tadi. So it implies something that has already been completed. I've gone somewhere, so it's completed already. So if you've not gone to the clinic, it's belum pergi klinik. So it's the opposite. So how do you say, has she completed her homework in Malay? Homework in Malay is kerja rumah. Dia dah siapkan kerja rumah? Dia dah siapkan kerja rumah? So in this example, siap here means has it been completed yet? Is your homework ready? So that's the meaning of siap in Malay. So how do you say, I've not bought a ticket yet? So it's not completed yet, you've not bought the ticket. So we'll use belum. Saya belum beli tiket lagi. Saya belum beli tiket lagi. So in a similar tone, if you want to say, she's not asleep yet. So she has not fallen asleep. So dia belum tidur lagi. Dia belum tidur lagi. So the act of falling asleep has not been completed. So in that sense, it's belum tidur. So if it's the opposite, if you want to say she's gone to sleep, meaning that she has fallen asleep, then we'll say dia dah tidur. Belum and sudah sometimes is also used with adjectives to describe something that is already what the adjective is. For example, um, dah besar or dah kawin. So in these two examples, dah besar means something that has already grown or something that is big already. Dah kawin is something that is already someone that is already married. So for example, um, if we say ayam tu belum masak, ayam tu belum masak. So in this sense, we are saying that it's not cooked yet. So the chicken is not cooked yet. So we're describing it not reaching, is still raw, is not cooked yet. Another example, pinggan tu dah pecah. Pinggan tu dah pecah. It means that that plate is already broken. That plate is already broken. So dah pecah, it describes the plate, which is already broken. So if you want to say the food has gone cold, how do you say that in Malay? So it's simply makanan dah sejuk. Makanan dah sejuk. So if you hear someone say dah something, dah sejuk or dah besar, it's mean that that thing has already turned something, whatever that adjective may be. So one last example, if you say the shop had closed, so how do you say that in Malay? Kedai dah tutup. Kedai dah tutup. So if you want to say the opposite, the shop has not closed yet. So it's kedai belum tutup. Kedai belum tutup. So hopefully that's clear and somewhat easy for everyone. So a bit of a recap, some of the words that we learned in this lesson. Here they are.